Yes, this is our center core walking machine. So you see, this is the 6 pieces hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces hand. So you see, this is the bobbin, which from the center core manufacturing machine. And then take the bobbin out, take the bobbin out, and then put here. So walk to the core. So walk to this core. So walk to this core. Okay. Okay. So after you got this bobbin like this, after you got this bobbin, you can put this bobbin on the core forming machine to make the nylon zipper chain. For nylon zipper, the center core is inside the chain, the monofilament chain. But for the metal and plastic zipper, the center core should be with the zipper tape. So that way it's different with the nylon way. But if you want to make the plastic and the metal zipper tape with the weaving center core, then the weaving center core bobbin is not same as this. It's from another center core machine. Okay, now it's a finish. Look, it's a finish. So it's stored automatically. Let's see this. Okay, if you are interested for this machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.